This is our 15th interior design project, and we'll be redesigning a residential spaces for Musa Samanter from the Greater Toronto Area, Ontario, Canada. He wanted to incorporate a modern classic style into his space, but he didn't know where to start. So he browsed through YouTube and found our redesign videos. Then he reached out to us for help. That's why we're here to work on his space and create a modern classic interior he'll love. We'll also include links to the products we used in this design. Watch until the end for details on how to be selected for our free design offer. Let's get started. This is Musa's current layout of his area. Starting with the master bedroom, it is a spacious area with windows that let in plenty of natural light. The bed is the main focal point, complemented by functional furniture like dressers and a seating area. The decor leans towards a neutral and cozy feel, but there's an opportunity to refine it into something more elegant and modern classic. The daughter's bedroom is simple and bright, with a practical furniture layout and soft tones. In the family room, the fireplace and TV area draw attention as the centerpiece of the space. The room feels inviting, but the layout and furnishings could be updated to enhance both functionality and style. Musa envisions a modern classic design for these spaces, focusing on clean lines, timeless elegance, and functional pieces. Therefore, we'll incorporate neutral colors, rich textures, and natural materials like wood and metal. Now let's proceed to the family room. Let's start with the flooring. He currently has dark flooring, so we'll replace it with a lighter oak laminate. It's durable, elegant, and perfect for the modern classic style, creating a bright, solid base for the room. Now, for the walls, we'll repaint them in a soft light gray shade, which will give the room a neutral yet sophisticated vibe. We'll update the ceiling with a tray design and recessed lighting to add depth and elegance. The white finish will complement the light walls, and the integrated lighting will create a warm, inviting atmosphere. We'll also add wall panels with a subtle vertical groove design on both sides of the room. These panels will elevate the overall look and blend seamlessly into the modern classic theme, bringing in that timeless charm Musa is looking for. To enhance the design further, we'll place an abstract painting and an art wall in warm tones within the paneling, and install an LED light in the ceiling to highlight the artwork and wall panel. For the curtains, we'll use sheer white fabric layered with thicker beige drapes. The sheer material will allow natural light to filter in, while the beige linen drapes will add a classic, tailored look. Next, let's move to the furniture. The sofa will be updated to a plush, neutral-toned sectional with clean lines that cost $816.99. This style is a staple in modern classic interiors, comfortable yet polished. We'll also add a soft, textured gray-colored rug to ground the space and make it feel cozier. We'll also add a square ottoman in a soft neutral tone, offering versatile seating or a footrest. Its minimalist design fits perfectly into the modern classic style of the room. We'll use 2 circular coffee tables, one black and one gray for a layered look. Made from metal and stone, these tables will add contrast and elegance. The decor will be kept simple with a couple of coffee table books and a small vase. The side table will have a simple square wooden design, tying back to the natural tones of the floor. This cost $1,169. It's functional, yet subtle. A large potted plant in the corner will bring in a fresh organic element, balancing the room. To enhance the ambiance, we'll include a gold-plated floor lamp with a sleek, modern design. It cost $124.98. It will provide task lighting while adding a subtle glam touch. The chandelier in the center of the room will be another highlight, featuring a classic crystal design with a modern twist. The clear and gold accents will tie beautifully with the other elements in the room. Now, let's move on to the fireplace and TV wall. For the fireplace, we'll replace the original herringbone tile with white marble, adding subtle veining for a touch of luxury. Mantle will be styled with a decorative clock, vases, and small decor, creating a balanced and elegant feature. For the TV wall, we'll add vertical wood panels in a warm tone combined with a marble-like central section, paired with a floating console beneath. The neutral console will be styled with minimal decor, and the TV will be mounted above. Integrated LED strip lighting within the grooves of the panels will highlight the texture and add warmth, making the wall a stylish focal point. This family room will become the perfect blend of modern and classic, light, elegant, and welcoming. It will be a cozy space where Musa's family can watch TV, chat, or simply relax together just as he wanted. Next, the daughter's bedroom. The room currently has carpet, which feels soft but doesn't fit the elegant, timeless look Musa wants for the modern classic style. We'll replace it with light wood, which will brighten up the space and complement the design perfectly. As for the walls, they are painted a basic light gray, fine, but not quite pulling the room together. So, we make them in a soft light beige, creating a neutral backdrop that will allow the other design elements to stand out. We'll go with a simple flat ceiling, adding recessed lighting for subtle illumination, and pin lights to highlight key areas, creating a warm and inviting feel. For the curtains, we'll choose soft, sheer white curtains to let in natural light and provide privacy. Beige linen drapes will add elegance and complement the modern classic style. We'll add wall panels with a vertical groove design in a warm wood tone to bring texture and warmth. LED lighting behind the panels, and in the ceiling we'll highlight them, adding an elegant touch to the room. On the wall, we'll place a beautiful painting that complements the modern classic style. To balance the design, we'll add another piece of art on the left side, harmonizing with the first and tying the room together. In the current layout, the furniture was previously scattered, making the space feel disconnected. So we'll go with a minimalist bed frame in a neutral color that complements the modern classic style. The subtle tufted headboard will add just the right amount of elegance. Next, the nightstand will be a sleek wooden piece, tying in with the room's natural elements. It's compact yet functional, styled with a small vase, and a decorative book to match the room's design. Above it, a pendant light in soft gold that costs $65.40 will add a simple modern touch. To complete the look, we'll add a plush neutral-toned rug that grounds the space, costing $135.99, adding warmth and making the room feel cozy while maintaining its elegance. We'll also add a study table along the window, taking advantage of natural light. The simple modern desk with clean lines will provide a functional workspace without overwhelming the room. A plant will add a touch of nature and help balance the modern classic style with organic elements. For the floor lamp, we chose a gold-plated design with a sleek modern look, costing $80.88. It'll add elegance and provide great task lighting near the study area, or the bed for reading. On this side, we'll add a wardrobe for additional storage, keeping the space organized while maintaining the room's sleek, modern aesthetic. Overall, the daughter's bedroom will blend classic elegance with modern style, making it both functional and cozy. Every detail, from the furniture to the lighting, will fit the modern classic theme, creating a space perfect for relaxing and studying. Lastly, the master's bedroom. Let's start with the flooring. The room currently has dark wood flooring, which adds richness, but can make the space feel smaller and heavier. So, we'll switch it to a lighter wood tone. This will make the room feel more spacious and airy. Now, onto the walls are a mix of bold blue and light gray. While these colors are nice, they don't quite fit the calm, sophisticated look we want for the modern classic style. So, we'll repaint the walls in a soft light beige. It will tie in perfectly with the new light wood flooring, making the room feel balanced and welcoming. For the ceiling, we'll go with a tray ceiling design. This style adds depth and makes the room feel taller. We'll add recessed lighting for even soft illumination. For the curtains, we'll use soft, sheer white fabric to let in natural light while maintaining privacy. To add elegance, we'll pair them with beige linen drapes. Next, we'll add vertical wood wall panels in a warm tone. These panels will add texture and depth to the room, and we'll add LED strips behind the wall panels and in the ceiling to highlight the wood's texture. We'll go for a minimalist bed frame in a neutral color to match the modern classic style. The subtly tufted headboard will add elegance without being too much, offering both comfort and sophistication. We'll add a soft, neutral rug to bring warmth, coziness, and elegance to the space. On both sides of the bed, we placed sleek wooden nightstands, compact and functional to match the room's natural elements. On top, we added a small vase and a gold-based lamp that complements the room's color scheme. Above the nightstand, we'll hang a soft gold pendant light. It will provide focused lighting and add a touch of glamour without being too bold. We also placed an artwork above the bed, adding sophistication without overwhelming the space. This artwork ties the design together, making the room feel cohesive and elegant. We will place a chandelier in the center of the ceiling. Its clean lines will make a statement, fitting the modern classic style. We'll place a mirror costing $92.99 on the right side of the room, reflecting light and making the space feel larger. Then, across from the window, we'll add a small bench chair. The chair will have a simple design with soft fabric, blending perfectly with the room's style. In between the mirror and the chair, we'll add a few small plants to bring some greenery and soften the space, balancing the modern classic design. On the opposite side of the bed, we'll choose a sleek, modern console cabinet for both storage and style. On top, we'll place books, a vase, and a few decorative pieces that match the room's color palette and overall design, and another plant next to the console table for a touch of greenery. In this space, we'll start by adding another wall panel to create visual balance. Next, we'll place a console table with a decor that will complement the style. We'll also hang another piece of artwork that complements the room's design. To finish, we'll hang a pendant light above the console table to add warmth and elegance. To the left, we'll place a tall wardrobe that will offer plenty of storage while maintaining the clean, modern lines of the space. Add another plant next to the console table to enhance the space with a natural touch, complementing the overall decor and bringing in a bit of life. By blending modern classic elements with functional design, we transformed Musa's family room, daughter's bedroom, and master bedroom into sophisticated yet cozy spaces that reflected his vision.